my video where I will show you how I preserve pressed daisies with resin to be used in jewellery making. First, begin by selecting 2 daisies of a similar size and then slowly add UV resin. I add the resin little by little and ensure that I coat each petal using a silicone brush. If you use too little resin, then your flower petals will curl up when cured, but if you use too much resin, it may go over the edges of the petals and look messy, so I try to maintain that balance between the two. Also, I'm working on a silicone sheet so that my flowers will peel off easily once cured. Next, I set the resin using a UV lamp, which takes a couple of minutes. I hold the light at a distance from my flowers for the initial 30 seconds, as I've found that if the light is too close and strong at the start, the petals start to curl. After the resin is hard, I flip over my flowers and apply a coat of resin onto the back. Additionally, I position a jump ring in between 2 petals and add a blob of resin to secure into place. The same as before, I put this under a UV lamp until cured. And then I simply attach to an earring hook using pliers. And that's it. It's very simple and easy, especially to those of you who have good eyesight and a steady hand. If you don't fancy making them yourself, feel free to check out my Etsy, where I make a variety of pressed flower jewellery. My Etsy is called Clouds of Blossom, which I will leave linked below, but I would definitely recommend you making them yourself, as I always find it fun and rewarding. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.